Ever wonder what's really happening inside the mind of an AI? How does a machine learn to think, create, and solve problems? Welcome to the dawn of the AI revolution, a journey that begins not with magic, but with data. At its core is machine learning, the engine that powers modern artificial intelligence. Imagine vast digital landscapes where information flows like rivers, and within these streams, complex neural networks come to life, mimicking the very structure of our brains. This is where the learning begins. So how exactly does an AI learn? Think of it in three main ways. First, there's supervised learning. This is like teaching a child by showing them pictures. You give the AI labeled data, this is a cat, this is a dog, and it learns to recognize the patterns. Then you have unsupervised learning, where the AI is given a huge jumble of data and told to find the hidden structures on its own, like sorting a messy library without knowing the categories beforehand. Finally, there's reinforcement learning, the trial and error method. The AI performs an action, gets a reward or a penalty, and adjusts its strategy to maximize rewards, much like learning to play a video game. Through these methods, algorithms sift through enormous datasets, finding connections that are often invisible to the human eye. This foundation paved the way for something truly groundbreaking: large language models, or LLMs. The big leap forward came with an architecture called the transformer. Its secret weapon, a mechanism called self-attention. This allows the model to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence, understanding context, nuance, and relationships in a way that was never before possible. When you interact with an LLM, you're essentially communicating through tokens, pieces of words, and sentences. These models are built with billions, sometimes trillions, of parameters, which are like tiny digital knobs that get fine-tuned during the learning process. These aren't just building blocks, they are the very fabric of this new form of digital intelligence. The impact of this technology is already all around us, and it's spectacular. Developers now have AI coding assistants that can write and debug code in seconds, drastically speeding up innovation. Artists and writers are using these tools to spark creativity, generating story ideas, scripts, and even entire pieces of prose. In science and business, LLMs are tackling incredibly complex problems, from drug discovery to financial modeling. We're seeing a powerful synergy emerge, where traditional machine learning models that excel at prediction are combined with the generative power of LLMs, creating systems that are both analytical and creative. It's a partnership that's reshaping what's possible. So, where are we heading? The ultimate destination for some is artificial general intelligence, or Agian AI with human-like cognitive abilities. But as we race toward this future, the conversation around ethics becomes more critical than ever. We must ensure these powerful tools are developed responsibly, with fairness, transparency, and human well-being at their core. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about collaboration. It's about a new partnership between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence, working together to unlock a future filled with possibilities we're only just beginning to imagine. Thanks for watching, and if you found this journey into AI fascinating, be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our world.